Google Gemini with their Nano Banana never ceases to amaze me with what you can create when it comes to quote colouring pages. Now I have a bunch of examples just here. These are all floral self-love. Now what I want to do in this video is show you step by step on how I actually created these. Now I did in fact use my own prompt generator, and this is it just here. Now if you want to check this out at all, there'll be a link for this down in the description. Now please note this is currently only $19.99 until the 30th of April. Then after that the price will be increasing to $39.99. But if you do want to come and check this out, there'll be a link for it down in the description. Now, do you have to use this prompt generator? Of course not. The main focus that you want to do, or the main thing you should focus on, is the prompt structure of your prompts. Now, I highly recommend using this. Now, in fact, what I'll do is put this in the comments down below, and then I'll pin it as the first comment. But this, in fact, should be your prompt structure for creating your quote colouring pages. Now you can plug this through Gemini, through ChatGPT, and everything in brackets is where you want to change out. So we have the layout, the subject, the quote, the style application, the item details, the filler details, the technical constraints, and the background. Now this prompt structure is absolutely golden when it comes to creating your quote colouring pages. And that prompt structure is what's used here within my generator. Now, let's come over to here because I've already created the pages and I've already gone through the chat, and I'm going to show you step by step on how I used it. Now again, this is by using my prompt generator, but you do not have to use it. Now, what I first put was I want to create a floral self-love quote colouring pages. So the main niche for this is self-love, but I wanted to put a little twist on that, so I went with floral. So even all the quotes have a floral element to the self-love colouring pages. So I said, let's brainstorm some unique ideas first, or unique quotes first. It gave me a bunch of ideas, but I put these are too generic. Let's make more unique, or make them more unique, keep them 3 to 5 words, and for women. And this is where I got some really great ideas, which I then went ahead and used. But I also asked for fillers that would work best in this book. Now on this prompt structure, we have fillers just here. Now fillers are tiny graphics that you'll find on your pages. So if we come over to here, let's go on a different one, like this. These just here and these little hearts along with these little sparkles just here, these are all fillers. So I wanted to brainstorm some ideas for fillers which would work well in the book, and it gave me a bunch of ideas just here. But then I put every prompt that we create must be a unique design concept for each quote. I do not want repeating ideas for these pages, and I want variation. So then, after we've gone through that, this is where it starts getting better. Because this is just a GPT specifically for prompting quote colouring pages over in Nano Banana, we can get some really great results. So I put, let's create a prompt for this. Now this is the quote just here. Only use fillers from the list above. Make sure that they complement the quote. Use whatever font/fonts that you think would work best for this colouring page. I want this page to be very beautiful and feminine and not really busy. And this is where I start getting the prompts. Again, as you can see, it follows that structure, with the first part being just here, then the layout, the subject, the quote, the style application, and so on. But this right here is the perfect prompt structure for colouring pages over in Nano Banana. So I went through, I did that for all of the quotes which I liked. So this one is softness looks good here. Then the next one was she outgrew smallness. So all I have to do once I've got my prompt generated like this is copy it, come over to Nano Banana and simply just plug it in and click enter. Now I used fast on all of these as well because fast actually does a fantastic job at creating colouring pages, and you won't reach your limit as fast as what you would if you only used Pro. But as you can see, I went through. I added all the prompts, created all of these colouring pages. Now this one just here, I didn't really like that, so I didn't add it to the examples which I've just shown you. But then we have more, and as you can see, these do look pretty good. Now this one, this is only one of the times where Google's Gemini, or should I say Nano Banana, actually messed up with the words, and it put she twice, but that can be edited really quick. Now I have all of the quotes, all of the colouring pages, just here in Kittl. Now Kittl is my go-to tool because here I can clean them up, I can remove backgrounds, and I can turn them into SVGs. Now once your colouring page is an SVG, it can be infinitely scaled and without losing quality. So turning your colouring pages into SVGs just creates a better quality colouring page. Now let me show you how you can do that really quick within Kittl. But please be aware, to turn into an SVG, you do need a paid subscription. But right here, if we look, I don't quite like these sparkles. So what I could do is click onto the image, click on more, click on erase. Then all I have to do is click erase. Now if we see this, we can see the background. So what I usually do as well is have the background as transparent. So if you click on your artboard, you can do that here on opacity. Now normally opacity is at 100, which leaves it a white background, but I turn that all the way down so I can see what it looks like when I do indeed turn these into SVGs. Now if we go back on erase, we're going to do that one. We'll do all of these little sparkles just like that, and then we'll turn this into an SVG. Now let's take away that one as well, and we'll keep it like that. So now if I click done, click on more again, click on vectorize, leave this as 1, this is going to remove the background and only use one color, which is in fact black. So now if I click on vectorize, this takes a few seconds, just like that, and now that's been vectorized. And as you can see, it looks really good. But I can go through, do that on all of these pages, and it takes literally just a few minutes. Even if you have, let's center that as well, just like that, even if you have 50 pages, it's only going to take you less than 5 minutes, depending on how much you edit those pages. But if I click on this one, click on erase, we can just remove these bits as well, because I don't really like them, because they're a lighter shade, and I don't think they look that great with the rest of the page. But we have 2 more just here. Let's do that, just like that, and then we can vectorize this one as well by clicking done, more, vectorize, vectorize image, and now that's been vectorized as well. And as you can see, these are looking really good. Now let's center that as well, just like that. This one looks really good as well. So we'll click on vectorize, vectorize image. It's going to take a few seconds. We can center the image just like that. And then we have a few more. But as you can see, it literally takes seconds. Now with this one, Nano Banana did mess up, so what we're going to do is just erase that out, just like that. So there's only one she, there we go. Then what we can do, click on there, click on vectorize, and click vectorize. And again, this literally takes seconds. Now let's do this one as well. We'll vectorize that. Then we only have a few more, and then we'll be done. So there we go. As you can see, it doesn't really take long. You're going to get a much better quality page after vectorizing instead of upscaling as well, which means you'll be able to create a much better quality book. Now let's just do this last one as well as we're there, and there we go. Now if we zoom out, we can see that now we have all of our coloring pages as SVGs. And as you saw here in Kittl, you can literally edit them, convert them in the matter of minutes. So that's how I created all of these floral self-love colouring pages. Now again, if you want to come and check out my prompt generator, I'll leave a link for this down in the description. Remember, it's only $19.99, but only till the 30th of April. And if you want to test out the prompt structure first, then try this out. Again, what I'll do with this is add it to the comments, and then I'll pin it as the first comment. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, well, click right here and watch this other video all about, quote, colouring pages.